So this is the unit, guys. It is their 4-in-1 pre-max wig. This unit is pre-cut, it's pre-bleached, it's pre-plucked, and it's pre-styled. This is the final look, guys. I should also tell you I did not experience any excessive shedding with this unit at all. With no shedding, this will allow your unit to last longer. No glues, no sprays, and no baby hair.